Hello guys, so in this video we are going to see how you can be able to create an elastic IP in EC2 instance. So I have my EC2 here. I have already shut it down. So I want to have elastic IP. So why would somebody need elastic IP? You would need it because if you are using root 53 here and you have your domain, and instead of coming here and changing your elastic IP, so here is my records, and this is an A type record, and I have an IP address which is connected to my instance. So instead, every time I stop an EC2 instance, usually it changes this elastic IP. So this IP, the public one, always changes. But now we want to solve that problem. To solve that problem, that every time you stop and restart an EC2, you get a new IP address, and then when you get that IP address, you come here and change it. What if we solve that problem once and for all? So that is where elastic IP address comes in. So to create an elastic IP address is very simple. You have just to press allocate, this allocate button, and then you press allocate. So let's press it, and usually this is very expensive if you don't use it, if you don't associate it and you are allocated an IP address. So you can see here I have been allocated an IP address, and you can also change a name here. You can change the name of the elastic IP here. This is very simple. Then you need to associate it with your resource. So you come here and then you check for the IP address. So you check it and select it. I had already selected another IP address, and that is why I'm not going to use it for this. So you just select it like this, then you select the private IP address, then here you check enable elastic IP address to be reassociated. That is when the EC2 is stopped, then it is reassociated to another one. So let's stop it. I'm not going to use it because already I have another one. So this is the IP address I have, which is associated with my instance, and you can see the instance ID there. So now when it is associated, you will see it here. This is where you will see it. Then you will copy this IP address. You can copy it here. Once you select the instance, then you go to your root 53 and you edit your record. You edit and you associate it with your website. If you're serving it for backend, you're serving it for the front end, you just paste your value here. Then you set the time to live, you set it for 1 minute. Then you check your routing policy. For me, we are just using the simple routing. So that is how you do it. And then, so let me delete this one. I'm not going to use it. So action, release the IP. This is how you're going to release it if you're not using it. If you're not going to release it, you'll be charged, man, a lot of money. It's charged per hour. So the IP, this IP belong, I think, to Amazon. When you are not using it, they charge you. So if we come here, we don't have any IP address. We have already released it. somebody else can use it. So now we go to our instance. Here it is. Let me start it. And this IP is serving our website here. I think it is down. It is down because our instance is stopped. But for now, let's see. Yes, you can see it's down. It has not yet started. It's still initializing. So let me check. So that is how you can be able to allocate Elastic IP address, then connect it to route 53, and then serve your domain. Let me try on the terminal. So that is how you are going to do it, and when it is learning, you will be able to see your products. So you can see it's already initialized and connected to my website. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.